Welcome to this session on alcohols, a crucial chapter in organic chemistry for G Advanced. Today, we'll embark on a comprehensive journey through the fascinating properties of alcohols. We'll start with the basics, then progressively delve into medium, hard, and finally, the most challenging aspects, preparing you thoroughly for competitive exams. Let's begin. Let's kick off our understanding of alcohols with some easy-to-grasp concepts. We'll cover their fundamental physical characteristics and primary chemical behaviors. Alcohols exhibit unique physical properties primarily due to hydrogen bonding. This strong intermolecular force leads to significantly higher boiling points compared to similar molecular weight compounds like alkanes or ethers. For instance, ethanol boils at 78 degrees Celsius, while its isomer, dimethyl ether, boils at -24 degrees Celsius. Additionally, lower alcohols, like methanol and ethanol, are highly soluble in water because their hydroxyl groups can form hydrogen bonds with water molecules. However, as the nonpolar hydrocarbon chain grows, water solubility diminishes. All alcohols are liquids or solids at room temperature. Chemically, alcohols are weakly acidic. The polar OH bond allows the hydrogen to be removed as a proton. This acidic nature is evident when alcohols react with active metals like sodium or potassium, producing alkoxides and hydrogen gas, as shown in the example, 2ROH plus 2Na gives to RONA plus H. Furthermore, alcohols can undergo substitution reactions with hydrogen halides to form alkyl halides and water. They also participate in oxidation reactions. Primary alcohols can oxidize to aldehydes and then to carboxylic acids, while secondary alcohols oxidize to ketones. Tertiary alcohols are generally more resistant to oxidation. Now, let's test your understanding with these three practice questions. Take your time to think through each one and apply the concepts we've just discussed about the physical and chemical properties of alcohols. Ready to deepen your knowledge? In this medium-level section, we'll explore the nuances of alcohol properties, including more detailed physical trends and a broader range of their chemical reactions. Delving deeper into physical properties, branching in the alkyl chain of isomeric alcohols reduces their boiling points due to decreased surface area for van der Waals interactions. Comparing alcohols with ethers and alkanes, alcohols consistently have much higher boiling points due to their unique ability to form hydrogen bonds. Regarding solubility, the like-dissolves-like rule is key. As the nonpolar alkyl group's size increases, it eventually dominates the polar hydroxyl group's influence, leading to reduced water solubility. Conversely, lower alcohols are also soluble in many organic solvents. Regarding acidity, the order is typically methanol, then primary, secondary, and finally tertiary alcohols. This is because alkyl group's inductive effect pushes electron density towards the oxygen, making the OH bond less polar and hindering proton release. Alcohols are generally weaker acids than water, with pK values higher than water's 15.7. In terms of chemical reactions, alcohols readily undergo nucleophilic substitution with hydrogen halides, with reactivity following 3 degrees greater than to degrees greater than 1 degree alcohols, primarily via SN1 for tertiary and SN2 for primary. They also react with phosphorus halides like PCl and thionyl chloride, SOCl, to form alkyl halides, with SOCl being particularly useful due to gaseous byproducts. Oxidation reactions are pivotal for alcohols. Primary alcohols can be selectively oxidized to aldehydes using mild agents like PCC or PDC, or 2-carboxylic acids with stronger agents like acidic K-amino. Secondary alcohols oxidize to ketones with reagents such as KCrO8SO or PCC. Tertiary alcohols, however, are resistant to oxidation under normal conditions. Another important reaction is esterification, where alcohols react with carboxylic acids or their derivatives in the presence of an acid catalyst to form esters and water. This is a reversible reaction crucial in organic synthesis. Now, it's time to challenge yourself with 5 practice questions designed to assess your understanding of the medium-level concepts we've just covered. Apply your knowledge of physical property trends and various chemical reactions. Prepare to elevate your understanding. The hard level will challenge you with detailed reaction mechanisms, comparative analysis, and the role of specific reagents. Understanding the mechanisms behind alcohol reactions is critical. For reactions with HX, tertiary alcohols typically follow an SN1 pathway involving a stable carbocation intermediate, which can lead to rearrangements. Primary alcohols, on the other hand, react via an SN2 mechanism involving a concerted, one-step process with inversion of configuration. Secondary alcohols can exhibit mixed behavior. Similarly, in dehydration, acid-catalyzed reactions proceed via an E1 mechanism involving carbocation formation, leading to Zaitsev's product. Carbocation rearrangements are a significant consideration in both SN1 and E1 pathways, leading to diverse products. Let's perform a comparative analysis of acidity. Phenols are significantly more acidic than both water and alcohols, primarily due to the resonance stabilization of the phenoxide ion formed upon deprotonation. Water is generally more acidic than most aliphatic alcohols because the alkoxide ion from alcohols is destabilized by the electron-donating inductive effect of the alkyl groups. This inductive effect makes the OH bond in alcohols less polar, further reducing their acidity compared to water. Steric hindrance also plays a role in the solvation of alkoxide ions, impacting their stability. Selective oxidation is key in alcohol chemistry. Pyridinium chlorochromate, or PCC, and pyridinium dichromate, PDC, are mild oxidizing agents specifically used to convert primary alcohols into aldehydes without further oxidation to carboxylic acids. The Lucas reagent, a mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl, is a classic tool to distinguish between primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols based on their reactivity, forming an alkyl chloride precipitate at different rates. Tertiary alcohols react immediately, secondary within minutes, and primary not at all at room temperature. Additionally, alcohols with a methyl carbinol group, CHCH, OCH, undergo the haloform reaction. Alcohols also react with Grignard reagents due to their acidic hydrogen, forming alkanes. Now, tackle these 7 challenging practice questions. They demand a deeper application of mechanisms, comparative analysis, and reagent knowledge. Good luck! Welcome to the hardest level, designed for aspiring G Advanced toppers. Here, we'll explore the most intricate aspects of alcohol chemistry, including advanced reactions, synthetic strategies, and spectroscopic analysis. Let's explore advanced oxidation strategies. Swan oxidation utilizes DMSO and oxalyl chloride to gently oxidize primary alcohols to aldehydes and secondary alcohols to ketones, avoiding overoxidation or side reactions. Des-Martin pyridinane, or DMP, is another highly selective reagent known for its mild conditions and excellent yields, making it ideal for complex synthesis. The Oppenau oxidation, a reverse of MPV reduction, selectively oxidize secondary alcohols to ketones using an aluminum alkoxide catalyst in the presence of an excess ketone. These methods are indispensable in modern organic synthesis for their specificity and functional group tolerance. Rearrangement reactions provide fascinating insights into carbocation chemistry. The pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement, for instance, transforms vicinal diols into ketones or aldehydes under acid catalysis. This mechanism involves protonation, water loss to form a carbocation, followed by a 1 to shift of an alkyl or aryl group. Understanding migratory aptitudes, typically aryl, hydrogen, alkyl, is crucial for predicting the major product. From a synthetic perspective, alcohols are incredibly versatile. They can be synthesized from various precursors like alkenes, aldehydes, or esters, and then transformed into a wide array of functional groups such as alkyl halides, alkenes, or other carbonyl compounds. Retrosynthesis often positions alcohols as key intermediates, allowing chemists to work backward from a target molecule to simpler starting materials. Spectroscopic techniques are vital for identifying and characterizing alcohols. In infrared, or IR, spectroscopy, alcohols display a characteristic broad and strong OH stretch around 3200 to 3600 cm superscript 1, indicative of hydrogen bonding. A sharp peak around 3600 cm superscript 1 may appear for free OH in dilute solutions. A strong CO stretch is also observed between 1050 and 1200 cm superscript 1, with its position varying slightly based on the alcohol type. In proton nuclear magnetic resonance, or superscript 1 HNMR, the hydroxyl proton, OH, typically appears as a broad singlet between 1 to 5 ppm due to rapid exchange, often decoupling from adjacent protons. However, in very pure, dry samples, coupling might be observed. Alpha hydrogens, those on the carbon directly attached to the hydroxyl group, are deshielded and usually appear between 3.5 to 4.5 ppm. Understanding these spectral features is essential for structural elucidation. Stereochemical aspects are paramount in alcohol reactions. SN1 reactions, proceeding via planar carbocations, lead to racemization if the reaction occurs at a chiral center. Conversely, SN2 reactions involve backside attack, resulting in inversion of configuration, known as Waldane inversion. In elimination reactions like E1, the stereochemistry of the resulting alkene can be influenced by carbocation rearrangements and the stability of the final product. Beyond the lab, alcohols hold immense industrial relevance. Ethanol is produced via fermentation or ethene hydration, serving as a fuel and solvent. Methanol, derived from synthesis gas, is a crucial feedstock. Glycerol, a byproduct of soap making, finds use in cosmetics and pharmaceuticals. Isopropanol is a common disinfectant, and ethylene glycol is a vital antifreeze component. These diverse applications highlight the pervasive impact of alcohol properties in technology and everyday life. Here are the first 5 challenging questions for the hardest level. These questions demand a deep understanding of advanced concepts, mechanisms, and synthetic applications. Take your time to analyze each problem thoroughly. Now, let's move on to the remaining 5 questions for the hardest level. These problems will further test your comprehensive knowledge of alcohol properties, including spectroscopic analysis and complex reaction pathways. Good luck! And that concludes our in-depth exploration of the properties of alcohols. We've covered everything from basic physical characteristics to advanced reaction mechanisms, synthetic applications, and spectroscopic analysis. For more such comprehensive educational content and to master your advanced preparation, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and valuable learning resources. Keep learning, keep growing.